Hey guys, welcome back. This is the Fragrance Dude bringing the Chanel connection. This is going to be the unboxing and then review of these colognes. I've been collecting these and buying them over time, and now this is the time to unbox them and do detailed reviews on these. So I'm very excited to present to you guys this video. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing.
Audio Jungle.
This was the Platinum Egoist, which is classified as a woody, floral, musky fragrance. It was introduced in 1993, and the significance of all these 5 fragrances today is that the perfumier is Chanel's legendary Jack Polge. So he has been the creator behind all of these 5 fragrances. So next up we have Allure Homme, the original Allure Homme, on which a lot of the flankers have been designed. Allure Homme Sport, Allure Homme Au Extreme, Allure Homme Edition Blanche. So this is the original Allure Homme. Let's go ahead and open that up. This concoction was introduced by Chanel in 1999, and it's classified as a fresh, sharp, woody, warm. So it's a very sensual, warm fragrance. One of my favorites. Very versatile. Introduced in 1999. Again, the creator is Jack Polge. Next up, we have Allure Homme Au Extreme. Another one of my favorites. All these 5 are my favorite guys, and I already have plans on how I'm going to use them, on what occasion, what weather, and all that is going to come up in the detailed reviews of these colognes. So this is Allure Homme Au Extreme, introduced in 2012. It's classified as a musky, woody, aromatic fougere, and it's a very sensual, it's a compliment master. It's a sensual cologne. It's really gathers a lot of compliments, especially when you're not expecting them. That's the beauty of this one. Next up, we have probably my all-time favorite. Feel like I'm on the top of the world when I'm wearing this cologne. Bleu De Chanel. This is the EDT version. They also have an EDP version. This was introduced in 2010. EDP was introduced in 2014. This is a woody aromatic, very sophisticated, deep, and a sexy fragrance. So this has been in my closet for the longest, and I had some samples which I was using as I needed them, but then I really wanted to make this collection and open these up together. So very excited to open the Bleu De Chanel. Last but not the least, this is Allure Homme Edition Blanche. This was introduced in 2014, so this is the newest of all these 5 fragrances, and this is an Oriental woody. This is just a superb combination of notes, and it's very pleasing. It's got a little lemon pie feel to it. Really a perfect, classy scent for the summertime and the warmer months. So this is Allure Homme Edition Blanche. But I'm gonna test these puppies again over the next few weeks, and then come back to you guys with detailed reviews of these zones. So stay tuned. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. You know, this is what keeps us going.